Right, so here in this lecture we are going to learn about the three terms: internet, intranet, and the extranet. Right, so these three are different types of network. So as you know, internet is a public network. It's public, right? Intranet is a private network, and extranet also a private network. So that means there's a owner, right? So here it is a public resources in internet, right? So anybody can use it, right? So then we can say that, so these two networks are private and internet is a public network, right? So it's like public transport, right? Maybe a bus, and this is like a private car or private bus, right? So let's say it's a private vehicle, right? So anybody can use this, right? The public networks can be used by anybody. So there are common rules. So public means if you are sitting in the bus, so at the seat, so there may be one person, and there can be a beggar somewhere here. So but you can't say that don't stay here, right? So because it's a public service, if the seat is available there, anybody can come. But if you don't like that particular person come nearby you, so then you have to use a private transport mechanism, right? So the control is available to one particular organization in private networks, but the internet is a public network, so we don't have much more control, but anybody can use it. So then the next one, right now, so the examples are the general internet, right? Normal internet. So the internet, so anybody can use. That means there are hackers, users, different users from different countries, software engineers. There are different users, and it is owned by everybody in the world. But in private networks, the best example, intranet example is, maybe let's say there are branches in a bank, right? They have their own network. So this is Kandy, and this is Colombo, and this is Kurunagala, and this is Anuradhapura, right? So all of these branch networks, the different branches are getting connected through the intranet, right? It's a private network, but there may be some users who want to check their account balance, right? And they want to transfer money. from their account to somebody else. So these people also involved. So this is the complete network. That is the intranet. But part of the intranet should be divided, should be given access to the external users. So these are the external users, right? And this is the bank network, right? That means this is the intranet. So it's a private network. Some part of this network should be given access to the external users for their own purpose, to access their account only. So then this is what we call the extranet. Part of the intranet is given access to the external users to perform their services. So then this is called the extranet. Right, so that is the idea.